Bitcoin is right now bouncing back towards the upside. It is right now happening. The Bitcoin history is exactly being repeated and the Christmas rally is getting started. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. What is going to be that next Bitcoin move? Because a lot of liquidity is piling up. We have seen a daily Bitcoin candle with strength again and many more things we need to discuss. So guys, can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 300 likes. That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into our short term. And the Bitcoin price has just been playing out perfectly. We have been getting this rejection towards the downside after hitting this level of resistance, that 110k level of resistance. Now Bitcoin has been breaking towards the downside and also been seeing this liquidity grab down below this level of support. We have been hitting this level of support over here, and ever since hitting this level, we have been seeing this strong bounce towards the upside. Now of course, Bitcoin has also been creating this downsloping level of resistance and this descending triangle pattern, and both of these patterns, both of these levels of resistance, we've been breaking towards the upside, and ever since we've been breaking that one towards the upside, we've been seeing a huge rally towards the upside. Now in that imminent short term, Bitcoin is creating yet another consolidation over here. We're creating an ever so slight symmetrical triangle pattern. So let's see if we are going to be seeing this continuation towards the upside. Okay, we are leading in towards this pattern with bullish momentum. So let's see if we are going to be seeing this continuation. If we're going to be seeing a dump over here, I would rather have a look in towards this pattern as a bull flag pattern. Now yeah, the interesting thing is that Bitcoin history is once again exactly repeating. We have been seeing this profit taking going on just before Christmas, and right now during Christmas, while Christmas has been getting started, we are exactly seeing some strength again. We are exactly seeing this daily Bitcoin candle with strength coming in, while we can be having a look into what's history, and history has always been showing us that in Bitcoin halving years, Christmas has always been very bullish, and before Christmas there's been some profit taking going on. So is this going to be a coincidence? Well, I don't think so. Okay, Bitcoin history is just exactly being repeated right now at this current moment. I've been saying that whenever Bitcoin is going to be printing a daily Bitcoin candle with strength, just like we have been doing all of these times in the past, well then we're going to be definitely continuing our rally towards the upside, and then we're going to be seeing this reversal back towards the upside. So let's see if we are indeed going to be continuing this rally right now towards the upside. I do think it's going to be very likely right now at this current moment. The Bitcoin trend and the Bitcoin momentum towards the upside is still just going very strong. We are still trading inside of this uptrend over here, and I've been saying as long as Bitcoin is going to be trading inside of this uptrend, we're still going to be remaining to be looking bullish over here. We're still having a lot of momentum towards the upside, and right now the Bitcoin funding rates are still looking extremely bullish. They're still trading at these very low levels. Liquidity has been completely wiped out of the market. Funding is literally flipping negative, even though we're still in a bull market. If this is not a signal to buy now, I don't know what is. At the same time, a lot of liquidity is piling up on the top side, exactly above that previous high at around that 100k level. So definitely at least a push towards that 100k level is just going to be highly likely in my opinion. Now after that, we have still a lot of liquidity sitting above that 110k level. Now I've been saying that whenever the weekends are shaken out, then we can be headed higher again. And if we're going to be having a look in towards our fear and greed index, we are once again back at these neutral levels while we are trading in the bull market. So definitely I would consider that the weekends are already shaken out. Also, if we're going to be having a look in towards the Bitcoin funding rates, definitely weekends are already shaken out. So yeah, it is starting to look very good for the Bitcoin price right now. Anyways guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading that short term, because right now is going to be the time to be investing in the market, trading Bitcoin, trading altcoins, because altcoin season is literally around the corner. I'm about to be opening up some huge positions on altcoins as well. Well guys, make sure to be checking out this insane new link down below, because with that new link down below, you can be claiming $100,000 in deposit bonuses with that first link down below. below. So make sure to be checking it out. Sign up a new account over on Blofin, claim these insane deposit bonuses, and the best thing is, over on Blofin, there's no KYC required. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be signing up a new account over on Blofin. So make sure to be checking it out with that first link down below. Anyways, guys, if we're going to be having a deeper look into what's the Bitcoin price, many people are starting to talk about a potential Bitcoin top right now at this current moment. And definitely, if we're going to be having a look into what's the weekly candles for the Bitcoin price, this is definitely not looking very good. I've been talking about this already yesterday. I've been talking about this already 2 days ago. The Bitcoin 2021 cycle top pattern is exactly being repeated. If you're going to be having a look into what's a screenshot, we're exactly seeing the same exact markup. We're seeing the same rounding top with a bearish engulfing candle. So yeah, this is definitely not looking very good. At the same time, we are creating this huge bearish divergence on that weekly time frame, and we are touching this major level of resistance. Now also the global liquidity is not looking very good. Bitcoin always follows the liquidity, and yeah, we can be seeing that liquidity is decreasing right now. So this is definitely not looking very good, but I've been already talking about this yesterday. I still do think that this Bitcoin bull market is not yet over yet. Even if we're going to be seeing a deeper correction right now in that imminent short term, I still do think that we're going to be headed higher again and at least hit that 120k level this cycle still, just like we did during last cycle. Maybe we're going to be seeing a double top during this cycle as well. But if I'm just going to be having a look into what's the Bitcoin on-chain indicators, and if I'm going to be having a look into what's the time, well, it is not yet indicating that we're about to be entering our Bitcoin top just yet. If we're going to be having a look into what's this chart over here, this chart has always very accurately been predicting the Bitcoin top, and this one is based off time. After the Bitcoin halving, we have about 550 days until the Bitcoin top comes in, and then we should be taking our profits. But as you can be seeing over here, we're not yet close at all towards this region over here of taking our profits. Also, if we're going to be having a look into what's Bitcoin on-chain indicators, we should still not be taking our profits. So let's see. I mean, I think this Bitcoin cycle is not over yet. I think altcoins are still about to be exploding. Every single cycle we can be seeing this, and it hasn't been happening yet. I still think it's around the corner. It is about to be happening any moment now. But I do still want to be saying that it is always wise to be dollar cost averaging in and out of the market. Like you can be seeing over here, MicroStrategy is right now doing it just on a very big scale, but you can also do it on a smaller scale, because one guy DCA'd $30 a day into Bitcoin for 9 years. Total invested was about 100k, and today his portfolio is worth $2.1 million. So this is exactly what MicroStrategy is doing on a much larger scale. Of course, you do not have to do it on the scale of MicroStrategy, but yeah, you can also just do it like this guy over here, $30 every single day. Everyone has $30 to miss every single day. And if you don't have $30 every single day, just do it with $3 or just do it with like $1. Just the matter of this story is to just dollar cost average in the market, and in the long run, that's just going to be the best strategy. That is what the big players are doing, and that is what I'm doing as well. So guys, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.